North West shows off new diamond grill. How much does it cost? North West, daughter of Kim Kardashian and Kanye West, showcased a new diamond grill on her joint TikTok account with Kim. The close-up selfie revealed diamonds outlining each tooth, resembling Kanye's recent titanium mouthpiece. By the way, we just posted inside Mark Wahlberg's luxurious lifestyle in our newsletter. Despite rumors that Kanye removed his teeth for the grill, his dentist clarified that it's fixed to his teeth. While North West's exact diamond grill may be custom designed and difficult to estimate the precise cost, click the link in profile to subscribe to our newsletter and get free access to our ebook.